right, so today for math skills class, we'll be working a little bit more with some fractions. Today we'll be changing mixed numbers into improper fractions. So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to switch mixed numbers into improper fractions. And why do we need to know this? Well, when we multiply or divide with mixed numbers, we have to change mixed numbers into improper fractions. We'll be doing a little bit with multiplying and dividing here soon, so this will be pretty important in the future. A little bit of a review. We know a mixed number consists of a whole number and a fraction, and an improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Here's an example of a mixed number, 2 and 3/4. 2 is our whole number, 3/4 is our fraction. And here's an example of an improper fraction, 6/3. 6 is our numerator, and that's bigger than our denominator, which is 3. So how do we switch mixed numbers into improper fractions? Well, there are 3 steps when we do that. Step 1 is to multiply the whole number by the denominator. So I'm going to be multiplying the whole number, which is 3. I'm going to be multiplying it by the denominator, which is 5. You can see that little multiplication symbol there. That's just a little bit of a visual reference to know you're multiplying the 5 and the 3. So we will multiply 5 times 3. And when I multiply 5 times 3, I get 15. And you can use your multiplication charts if you need to. So we got 15 for step 1. So we are done with step 1. Step 2 says add the numerator to the answer in step 1. Well, our answer from step 1 was 15. So we are going to add the numerator to 15 because 15 was our answer in step 1. So we're adding the numerator. That's kind of showing you adding, and our numerator is 2. So we're going to add 2. 15 plus 2 equals 17. And then step 3 is to write your answer on top of the original denominator. So our answer from step 2, which was 17. So 17 is going to be our numerator. And then step 3, like we said, your answer over the original denominator. And our original denominator was 5. So we will keep that the same. So that's how we switch them into improper fractions. Step 1, we multiplied 5 times 3 to get 15. Then we added 2 onto that 15 to get 17, which was our numerator. Try one more. I'll model one more of these for you guys, show you how to do these. So step 1, multiply the whole number by the denominator. I see 2 is our whole number, and I see 4 is our denominator. So we are going to be multiplying 4 times 2. Write the little multiplication symbol here if that helps you guys. So 4 times 2 equals 8. And then step 2, add the numerator to the answer from step 1. Our answer was 8. So we're adding the numerator to 8. What is our numerator? Our numerator is 3. So we are going to be adding 3 onto that 8 because 8's our answer from step 1. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Now, step 3, write your answer on top of the original denominator. 11 was our answer, so we're going to write 11 on top of our original denominator. And our original denominator was 4. We know the denominator is the bottom number. So 2 3/4 is equal to 11/4 as an improper fraction. Now we will try a couple of these together. We will write 5 1/4 as a mix or an improper fraction. So step 1, we will multiply the whole number by the denominator. Our whole number is 5 and our denominator is 4. So we will multiply those together. 4 times 5. And 4 times 5 equals 20. It equals 20. Step 2, add the numerator to the answer from step 1. Our answer was 20, so we're going to add the numerator to 20. Our numerator is 1. 20 plus 1 equals 21. And then step 3, write our answer on top of the original denominator. So we're going to write 21 on top of our original denominator, which was 4. So 5 1/4 is equal to 21/4 as an improper fraction. Last one we'll try together, and then there'll be a couple of homework problems for you guys posted on Schoology. So step 1, multiply the whole number by the denominator. So what two numbers are we going to be multiplying together in step 1? We know it's the whole number in the denominator, so what two numbers? We'll be multiplying 2 times 6 because that's our denominator and our whole number. We're multiplying them together. So 2 and 6, we multiply together in step 1. And 2 times 6 equals 12. Now in step 2, we are adding the numerator to our answer from step 1. Our answer from step 1 was what? Our answer from step 1 was 12. So we're going to add our numerator. And what is our numerator? Our numerator is 1. So we're adding 1 to our answer from step 1. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Is this 13? Actually, step 3 now. Let me backtrack a little bit. We know 13 is our answer. Step 3, write your answer on top of the original denominator. So we're going to write our answer, which is 13, on top of our original denominator. And what was our original denominator? Our original denominator was 2. So we will write 13 over 2. So that's how we change mixed numbers into improper fractions. If you guys have any questions, please send us an email and we will set up a Google Meet and work through some of them together.